Hey YouTube, this is Ty with the Musa Blue Java channel. Here's a little update on the previous video. So the Musa Blue Java, or the ice cream banana that I had downstairs that I showed in the previous video, I said I was going to plant it outside, but we had some change in weather and I didn't get a chance to plant it, so it's still down in my dining room. But this weekend it's supposed to be nicer than it has been this week, and I'm going to plant it outside for sure. And also last week I didn't have a place for sure to put the banana. But on this video, I'm going to talk about a neat package that I got. So about 2.5 months ago, I requested some germplasms for an internet site for my research project, and that will come later. And so I ordered 2 different varieties of the Musa species, which are bananas, and 2.5 months later they finally came in. And so I have slit the package, but I haven't looked inside yet, so I thought we'd do that together. Alright, let me bring you in. Alright guys, so here is the package that I got in the mail. It came, I think, earlier today. And so the package is from the PR, and it's obviously addressed to me. It says that it contains tissue culture Musa species plantlets. So let's open it. Alright. So there should be about 4 to 6 plants in here. Yeah. So as I said, I ordered 2 different species of banana plants, and one of them is called 1000 Fingers. And so why it's called 1000 Fingers is basically when the banana bunch comes out, there's a huge bunch of little tiny itty bitty bananas that can range from, I don't know, 2 to 3 inches, and there's like hundreds of them. And well, there can be hundreds of them. When they start coming out, they keep putting out fruit until they hit the ground or get close, but the quality of banana goes down as the bunch gets closer to the ground. So usually you only, I don't know, get like half of them. And the other variety that I got is called FHIA3. This species, FHIA stands for, I think it's like the Honduras Foundation of Agriculture or something. And they specialize in making banana hybrids and all that kind of stuff. So that was, I guess, the first hybrid that they made. I think it's also called the Sweetheart banana, and they're supposed to be really well, or taste really well. And so the reason why I got those varieties is because the climate that I'm in, those were the best suiting that I could find on their list. Because I was going to order Musa Saba banana, but they didn't have it on their list, and so I was like, oh, well, I'll just find other different types of bananas that I haven't thought of before, and I'll try those. So, alright, so let's open the package. Alright. Alright, gotta be careful here. Ooh, we got a note or something. Got a note, let's see. Oh, actually, before I show you the note, alright, so you can see they're kind of like in the bubble wrap right there. So I'll take those out in a minute. Alright, so let's see here. Alright, this says basically what I ordered. Alright, so I got 2 FHIA3s, and I got 3,000 finger bananas. Alright, so I read the letter, and basically what it says is they're not responsible for it, like, any health issues or anything that goes wrong with my project and that kind of stuff. And that's basically what I expected. So, alright, so that's cool. Alright, so let's undo this bubble wrap here. Let me find out where it starts. Flip it over. Alright, so let's undo this. Alrighty. So here we go. Alright, so as you can see, these are my little banana plantlets. So basically how you culture bananas is something called tissue culture. And so basically the concept to it is you take a banana corm or piece of the banana root stalk, and you cut the outside layer off, you sanitize it, you bleach it, you do a whole bunch of stuff, and then once you get to the middle of it, you can start cutting it into little sections. And once you got it into those little sections, you can take them and put them in jars full of medium or agar, which is basically the same thing. And those little pieces will sprout roots and grow more bananas. And as they grow in the medium, you can split them up and turn them into more plants. So it's highly efficient if you want lots and lots of plants. So out of one plant, you can get thousands and thousands of plants if you kept doing it. If you did it for a year, I think they calculated you could get like 43,000 plants if you continuously did it. About every 40 to 90 days, you split up the sections. When the bananas are in the medium, they grow into like a little collection of them. And then every 40 to 90 days, you can split those sections up and separate each section into a different agar jar. And the same thing will happen again. They'll spread out, and then you can divide it again. So, alright, so let's see. So I got 5 plantlets here, and you can see here that these are the roots, obviously, and then there's a little stem, and then you have the actual plantlet in there. And as I was explaining before, that's how tissue culture is how they got these plants like this. So yeah, and so basically what my project is I will be attempting to tissue culture these in non-hygienic conditions, which means non-laboratory conditions, because usually tissue culture is done in a lab, and since I don't have a lab yet, I will attempt to do this at home. They didn't tell me specifically when these plants are going to come, so I don't have a lot of my equipment right now, so I am just going to, I think, plant these for right now and see if I can get them big enough, and then once they're bigger, I will actually take them out of the soil, sanitize them, and then tissue culture them once I get all my supplies in, because I really haven't ordered them because they wouldn't tell me when they were coming. So that is my plan, and I will hope to update you soon. Probably within the next few days I'll do another video on once I get my banana plant, my ice cream banana downstairs outside. So thank you for watching, and I'll give you an update later. Thanks. Bye.